Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. How are you guys doing today? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be here with you guys. So, before we get into that amazing points haul from Ulta, oh my gosh, God is so good. I'm going to share a little scripture with you. And I am speaking today from Galatians 6, verses 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2 through 5. And the word says, bear one another's burdens, and so fulfill the law of Christ. For if anyone thinks himself to be something when he is not, when he is nothing, he deceives himself. But let each one examine his own work, not your neighbor's, not every person you see on YouTube, not the lady at the grocery store, his own work. And then he will have rejoicing in himself alone and not in another. For each one shall bear his own load. Look, you guys, it is our job to examine our own hearts. Let each one examine his own work. Not examine what someone else is doing. When you see somebody doing something that is wrong, unless straight up the Lord gives you a word for them or an admonishment, it should be done in gentleness, meekness, and kindness, lest that sin come upon you, which is what it says prior. Brethren, this is 6 verse 1. Brethren, if any man is overtaken in any trespass, which is a sin, you who are spiritual, restore such a one in the spirit of gentleness. Not coming on here going, you're a hypocrite. You know, like I've had plenty of people do, because they just thought I should all do it the way that my channel, the way that they feel it. And if it's not being done that way, then I'm a hypocrite. When they know nothing about me outside of the 3 minutes that they watch me on YouTube, which is absolutely laughable. But the fact is those people are going to stand a very harsh critique from my Father. Because we are to sweep off our own front porch, not our neighbors. Yes, the Bible says you're going to know them by their fruit, but it does not say go around and point it out to everybody. Do you guys get that? It means we are not, you pray, Father, whatever they're going through today, I pray that you lighten their load. Whatever is hurting in their heart that is causing them to be doing what they're doing, I pray that you deliver and set them free from it. Not go on and rip them apart, because every person is fighting a battle, you guys, and none of us know each other's battles. Not fully. I mean, I can share my life with you guys on here, and I do, but that does not mean you know me. Because there is 23 and a half other hours of the day that you know nothing about my life. Nothing. And I don't care if we sat on the phone and talked for 3 hours straight, you're never, ever going to get all the facts. So people tearing each other down and ripping each other apart on here is absolute blatant sin, and it's wrong. So today, let's all work the word and just start dealing with our own hearts instead of others. And pray willingly and without ceasing for those we see that are hurting that day, because everybody has bad days where they're hurting and they make mistakes. But it's what they do after that is what matters. And most of you never see that. So please take that to heart today. So with that said, oh my goodness, we got a big, humongous bag of goodies from Ulta. And I have to say, I have had these points from Ulta for over 2 weeks. And I'm shocked that I've had them this long and have not spent them. But I was waiting and hoping that some skincare things would go on sale. And since I'm ending my 30 days with Murad, and I wanted to do a specific brand next. I did not have enough product. I decided to use my points to get skincare the majority of skincare, since I have plenty of makeup. But I did get some makeup nonetheless. Those are something else. And the very first thing that I got. So 2 months, literally 1 month and the very next month. And it was literally a day from the month. I got another $125 in bonus points. And then I waited 2 weeks and I had more points come in the interim. So I had quite a bit of money to spend at Ulta. And I'm telling you, I was going to get it online, and then I just decided when I was out with my mom, I was leaving one night, I was going to my mom's house to sleep because the hospital was not allowing us to sleep. I decided to stop at the Ulta by my mom's house, and this was the very first thing I saw when I walked in the door, the new Morphe 35H, and oh my goodness, this thing is beautiful. I am not kidding you. All of the names are on the sheet, but this is the beautiful. Look at this gorgeous Mac Daddy right here. I mean, oh my goodness. I mean, bam. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Some just fell off. That one was kind of powdery, I have to say, this one. Look at that navy. I'm not going to do swatches, you guys, because I have so much to show, but I will just show you some of the colors so you can see how absolutely stunning they are. Oh my gosh, that one. Oh, the colors are beyond beautiful. And I mean, wowza, I got some on my thumb, so I might as well get the whole thumb. That is going to be one of my new favorite colors. That rust is cinnamon. It's gorgeous. But this bad boy is beautiful. And of course, it is $24. Everybody knows how much the Morphe palettes are, and I had a 20% off coupon, so I got 20% off that palette, which is better than the $3.50 off. It ends up being $5 off. So I got that palette for $19, and I'm telling you, I'm so excited to do an eye look with it. And I really feel like ever since I got that Morphe, the gold and the bronze palette, I've been really, it just seems like they've, like, I don't know if I've gotten bad palettes before, and that could absolutely be the case, because Lord knows with the Jaclyn Hill Vault, half of the people said they were amazing, and then half the people said they were crappy, and I agreed with the crappy part. But I have had, like, these last palettes have been beyond amazing. So I will be doing an eye look hopefully with that this week, and I will show you and give you my reject or recommend. So what I got is, I think the next brand, it depends on when my Fab Fit Fun box comes. I think the next brand I'm going to do for the 30 days of skincare is going to be Derma E. I am super, I'll just tell you a little brief, I'm not going to go into details, but super impressed with the Murad. And I honestly, I'm having a hard time wanting to stop it because it has worked so amazingly on my skin that I don't even really want to do another 30 days of another brand right now because it's been so amazing, but I'm going to do it. And I know that there's going to be other brands that are going to be as good, if not better. So I got the Derma E Vitamin C Intense Night Cream. I also got the Derma E Hydrating Eye Cream. I got the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. I think that's all the Derma E I got. The next item I got which I'm so excited about. This is the one I want to do next, is the Juice Beauty. This is the Green Apple Age Defy Serum. So in my Fab Fit Fun, some of the add-on items were Juice Beauty products, which, if you guys don't know, these are all organic. And they are made with essential oils and all natural. These are not chemical. So I'm so excited to try this brand. And I really wanted to do this next, but I don't think my FabFitFun box is going to be here in time that has the items in it. So I believe Juice Beauty will be the third brand that I do of the skincare. But I'm still not sure. I also have Glow Recipe, which I want to do, and I'm still debating whether to do Glow Recipe next or Derma E, but I'm kind of leaning towards Derma E. But, oh my gosh, I go into the store, you guys. I'm going to just go ahead and pull it all out of here. And every single item of Laura Geller was on sale for 75% off in that store. I don't know if they are everywhere else, but at that store, all of the Laura Geller was 75% off. So I got the Laura Geller Nude Kisses Beach Bum Lip Gloss, and this is what it looks like. It's absolutely exactly like the color that it's showing. It's a very mauvey, a very deep mauve color. Beautiful. Beautiful. That one's called Beach Bum. This one is called Taupless. And it's an absolutely gorgeous, it's got just a tiny, tiny bit of gold flecks in this. They're, I mean, beautiful. It is a little bit more of a, you know, like a beigey in color with very, very pale gold flecks in it. But, oh my gosh, it feels amazing. It's not sticky or goopy. Beautiful. I also got Blushing, which I think is one of my favorite ones. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. True Mauve, and it's got beautiful gold shimmer in it. Beautiful. And then I also got the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. And this is so beautiful. This color, I know it is not going to show as true, but it is a beautiful peach with like almost a peach glitter in it. And a little bit of pink. It is so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. I cannot wait to try it. And then the last thing that I got was the Laura Geller Filter First concealer. They did not have light. Honestly, I can't even figure out how to open this. Okay, so I get it now. So here it is. You peel it off. You pull this lid off and you twist this up. This is fair. This color is, yeah, just fair. And there are some fairs that I can wear. So sometimes I do this underneath, or I figured boy, it sure is taking a long time to crank it up. I can tell you that. Like no colors coming out yet. I don't want it to be like where it just all of a sudden comes pouring out. Boy, I don't understand why it's not coming out. Okay, wow, you guys are watching. So I'm twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting some more. Boy, I'm starting to, oh, there it comes. Finally. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's finally coming up. Okay. Yeah, you had to just really work this baby. Oh yeah, here it is right here on my hand. You can see what it's doing. It's taking away the little dark spots I have on my hand. And I can actually see that I will be able to use this even though it is a fair color because it's not too light. It's honestly like looks like a very good color. So there's the color right there. But you can see it on my hand right there. You can see where it goes from my skin tone. So not too bad. So this ended up being like $4.50, which I have never tried her concealer. So I'm really excited to try that. That is the end of what I got for free. Now I did get a couple more items. I got Savannah a NYX Slippy. These NYX Slippies were buy one, get one 50%. So both of them were $7. So they ended up being $3.50 each. I got the color Sparkling Please. Oh my gosh, this color is beyond beautiful. It is like a pale mauve with gold, pink, and silver shimmers in it. Beautiful. I also got, and these are plumping. These are Filler Instincts. This one is Major Mouthage, and it's like a deep mauve with silvery flecks in it, but it does not go on like as dark as it looks here, which that I love. And then this one is called Brunch Drunk, and this is a beautiful peach with gold shimmers and peach shimmers. Beautiful. And for the price, I just thought I'm not passing it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or put them in giveaway things. I'm still debating on that. And the last thing that I got in this haul was the $7 Makeup Revolution, this beautiful reloaded palette in Provocative, and this is all the mauves. These are such a good deal, and these colors are absolutely beyond beautiful. I'm trying to see where it's stuck at. Okay. Let's see if I can. There we go. Look at these colors, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, I just cannot wait to try and see. But that is like a beautiful warm brown berry. This, oh, beautiful. This one looks more, wow, those are very close in color, but in person, this one is more melony and this one is more mauvey. They do not feel as creamy as I was thinking they were going to feel. This is like a, it's actually feeling a little, that color is really hard to pick up any color at all. I'm not liking that at all. Wow, the matte though just came off without a hitch. Like that color is beautiful. But I'm going to absolutely do this in the Reject or Recommend series I'm doing. And that's going to help me to go through, as I go through my palettes this week, and decide what I'm going to keep. The ones I'm on the fence about, I'm going to put into my Reject or Recommend series. And if I don't like it, then I will sell them or give them away. But I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I'm telling you, God is so good. I have not been spending like I'm normally spending. And for me to get another $125 in points just by using my Ulta Rewards cards for gas and for other things and then just paying it off at the end of the month, I'm getting $125 plus every month. And we'll see next month. So today is, I spent this actually on May 30th. May 30th is the day that I bought these items. So we'll see on June 30th if I have another $125. Here's hoping. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and I pray that God keeps you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.